How do I import my Messenger contacts to my phone?
Hello there. Today, we're going to walk you through how to import your Facebook Messenger contacts to your phone. This can be extremely useful if you're setting up a new phone or just want to ensure all your contacts are in one place.
What do you need?
Before we begin, it's important to have all the necessary tools at hand. 1. Your smartphone with Facebook Messenger installed. 2. Access to your Facebook account. 3. The Contacts app of your smartphone.
How to export contacts from Messenger?
To export contacts from Messenger, you would have to follow these steps. 1. Open your Facebook Messenger application on your smartphone. 2. Click on your profile picture at the top left corner to access the settings. 3. Scroll down and find the option, People, and tap on it. 4. Here, you will find the option, Sync Contacts, turn this on. Important note, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Facebook Messenger doesn't directly allow the export of contacts into a readable format for your phone. The Sync Contacts feature only works to import phone contacts into Messenger, not the other way around. If you're looking to import contacts into your phone, you might need to do this manually or seek a third-party app or service that complies with Facebook's terms of service.
Manually adding contacts to your phone?
Here's how to manually add the contacts to your phone. 1. Go to the Chats tab in Messenger. 2. Open a chat with the person you want to add to your phone contacts. 3. Click on the name of the person at the top of the chat. 4. You'll be taken to their profile. Here, find and note down their contact information, if they've chosen to share it. 5. Now open your phone's Contacts app. 6. Click on the plus symbol to add a new contact, and fill in the details you noted down. 7. Save the contact. Remember, respect people's privacy. Only add contacts that people have chosen to share with you. And that's it. That's how you can import your Facebook Messenger contacts to your phone. Although it can be a bit manual process, it's straightforward once you get the hang of it. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments section below.